In this course, we will draw some women and a man with pencils. Oh, women? Are they good looking? Are they pretty? There he goes again with these hormones. At least I have them. What kind of nonsense is that? Everyone has hormones. I think you could say they look good, but the point is that we will learn techniques with pencils to learn how to draw them better. Art is very important. Thank you, Vincent. It is Vincent. Try to pronounce my name correctly next time, Vincent from America. It is French. We will do several recorded drawings in which you can watch me every step of the way. That will be very useful. Not for me. I never learn anything. That's because you are bad at art. It's sad but true. But okay, let me finish. We will also go over some art theory that will give you new insights about topics such as values, highlights, creating space, shadows, composition, mark making techniques, hatching, line weight, backgrounds, and foregrounds. Yeah, those two. Let him finish. You let him finish. No, you let him finish. Ah, sacre bleu. Why am I arguing with an idiot? You are the idiot. No, you. Ah, there I go again. I will be quiet now. Good, because I wasn't finished yet. I believe it was backgrounds. Oui, backgrounds. Ah, yes. Backgrounds, proportions, details in the face, parallels, outlines, and much more. During the course there are several assignments, and I will guarantee you that if you do the assignments and you pay attention to the classes, you will get better at drawing. Yes, how can someone not take art seriously? Anyone will take it seriously, right? Oh, I guess there was one example. I forgot. He is here.